Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 63rd video in this series. It means that we have discussed around 62 highly repetitive and real exam paragraph questions जो students को आए भी हैं ROs, and we have discussed the hacks as well as strategies how to solve them in under 2 minutes, right? By now, you would know that my name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now, question students ask is, can we also achieve our target score? The answer is big yes if you are going to follow the same strategies and the hacks which we teach you in this series as well as in other informative videos. Then you will be able to achieve your target score in your next attempt. Okay? And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now, first things first, PTE is accepted in the UK as well as Canada. So you can achieve your dream of studying in UK or Canada through PTE. And PTE reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. It is not scored out of 90. It is scored out of 47 marks. And the 5 question types are these. The order is fixed. Now, and the third question type in this order is reorder paragraphs. They are quite important. They are of 6 marks. It means that if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks. Very important, especially if your target is 7 bands or 8 bands. Now the time, how much time you can spend, the maximum time you can spend is 2 minutes on one reorder paragraph. Ab in 2 minutes mein you have to do the skimming of the lines, then you have to apply the strategies also, make the pairs and then confirm if the pairs are correct or not. This is today's reorder paragraph, and as usual I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this. After that we are going to discuss it. Okay, you know that. Now the first thing we do is skimming. We skim it for finding independent line and conclusion line. Conclusion line is optional, but independent line is important. And for independent line, we use process of elimination. In process of elimination, what we do, we eliminate the wrong options or जो line बचती है, that is our independent line. Now let's get started. Games provide an ideal setting to explore important elements of the design of clever machines such as pattern recognition, learning and planning. Is this independent line? Yes, हो सकती है. Today दो आ गया मतलब एक तरह से contrasting point है, contrast represent करता है दो. So it cannot be your independent line, so we are going to eliminate it. Researchers in the field of artificial intelligence have long been intrigued by games and not just as the way of avoiding work. Yes, this is also independent line because यहाँ पे कुछ भी किसी और line पे dependent नहीं है. Ever since जब से, so एक तरह से it cannot be an independent line. The stunning victory of Deep Blue, a program running on IBM supercomputer over Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion in 1997, it has been clear that computers would dominate that particular game. So is this independent? The answer is yes, it is independent, but ये as an example लग रहा है, right? So we cannot place examples as the independent line, okay? So we are left with these two lines, the first line and the third line. Now, अब जब हमारे पास एक से ज़्यादा independent line होती है, we apply our BS strategy, which is broad to specific strategy. So जो line ज़्यादा generic होगी, generalized होगी, right, वो line हमारी independent line select हो सकती है. So अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे games, यहाँ पे बात हुई है researchers in the field of AI have long been intrigued by games. यहाँ पे games introduce हो रहा है और यहाँ पे गेम्स का कंसेप्ट बिल्ड ऑन हो रहा है. सो जहाँ पे कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, that is our independent line. So this is our independent line. We are going to eliminate it. Okay. Now we have to find the second line. Okay. But अब more or less it's quite simple अगर आप हमारी strategies को follow करेंगे. So though is your connector, right? एक तरह से connect करता है but contrasting है. So generally ये कब आता है? End में आता है. Though क्या करता है? It signifies your second viewpoint. Okay. So that's why it will be in the end. And example है, so example है तो क्या होगा? Example भी last में आता है. तो वैसे भी अब आपके पास एक ही line बची हुई है, which is this one. So this is going to be second line also. But as per our SO strategy, which is subject object strategy, so यहाँ पे games introduce हो रही हैं, वहाँ पे games को build on किया जा रहा है. Okay. So this is why this is going to be the second line. And now third line. See, depending upon our TO strategy also, यहाँ पे आप games की बात कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी आप games की बात कर रहे हो, right? And यहाँ पे भी chess की बात हो रहा है, example दिया जा रहा है, तो chess भी तो आपकी एक game ही है. और यहाँ पे अब आपका बात हो रही है बाकी fronts पे भी. तो TO strategy के हिसाब से भी पहले आपका सिर्फ एक टॉपिक डिस्कस होगा, उसके बाद आपका सेकंड टॉपिक डिस्कस होता है, राइट? तो अब दिस इज द सेकंड टॉपिक, वैसे भी कंट्रास्ट है, सेकंड ओपिनियन है एंड एक ही लाइन बची हुई है, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू कम इन द एंड. So I hope this is clear to you based on our strategies, how we could find them. So all these answers are correct, right? So what is our reorder paragraph strategies? Because in reorder paragraph, strategy is everything. So we have certain rules for finding independent line. Then you had seen how we found independent line using process of elimination. Then we used brought to specific strategy. Then CO strategy, chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors based strategy. आपने आज उसकी usage देखी जिसे दो था, right? Then is TO strategy. You have seen its usage also. Topic order strategy. दो है तो नया टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, सो इट्स गोइंग टू कम इन द एंड. AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy, जो फर्स्ट पेयर था गेम्स वाला, दोनों सेंटेंसेस गेम से लिंक थे, सो दैट इज आवर SO strategy, subject object strategy, and last sentence rule, right? So these are the rules, these are the strategies which you need to learn, and you just have 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraphs, and you need to plan for these 2 minutes also. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. Then you have to find the independent line. And remember, finding concluding line is always going to be optional. In next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply the strategies the way you have seen me doing the strategy application so that we can make the pair. Only then you are able to solve your reorder paragraphs within 2 minutes. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. So if they have achieved, you can also achieve. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. If you have any question or doubt, do not hesitate to contact us at 8699-121-121 if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching. And we post such informative videos on a regular basis, so please do subscribe to our channel. We give wings to your dreams.